In this tutorial I'm going to tell you the mean test, that are basically t-test, independent sample t-test, paired sample t-test, and one sample t-test. So for the one sample t-test, all we need is the dependent variable, that is film I is square, and the test value is 0. Like basically we are comparing the test value with 0, and we are saying that there is no significant effect, and we are saying there is significant effect in the film IQ score. The p-value is less than 0.05. It shows that there is significant difference. The second mean test is basically independent sample t-test. Independent sample t-test compares the dependent variables variation on mean level with respect to categories. The categories should not be like more than 2. So here we have presentation as the grouping variable, and the film IQ score is the dependent variable. Basically our interest is to see whether for the film IQ score statistically significant for the two categories of presentation. If we see the descriptive, we can relate that what is going on. So the categories was floating and interleaving. Each has 48 members, and their mean value is this 3.84 and 4.35. More or less they are very close to each other, and there is no any significant difference. And the t-test also generated insignificant result, because the p-value, if you see here, the p-value is more than 0.05. So for the paired sample t-test, basically we need two variables. They are compared with respect to time, like pre and post. In this data we don't have any data, like we just say for demonstration we take the two variables and we see that if there is any difference. But the method is this one. You have to just select it and do the needful. So it will not generate any meaningful result. So this was all about the t-test. See you in the next tutorial.